looking at today?
Letter.
Letters in the alphabet, you're right. And what are on these cards?
Into.
You're right, that is what that card says. But we've got some words on here, haven't we? Some tricky words from phases 2 and 3, and some from Ryan's favourite book, which we're reading at the minute. Stanley. So, before we move on to our words, Ryan, I just want you to show everybody how good you've got at the alphabet. So, Ryan, can you close your eyes for me for a second? Now, what I'm going to do is take some of the letters out of the alphabet and mix them up. And then I'm going to ask Ryan to put them back into the right place. So, Ryan, open your eyes for me. Ooh, what letters have I taken out?
X, M, S, J.
Good boy. Now, can you put them back in the right places for me? Boy. You absolute superstar. Well done, Ryan. Now I'm going to make it a little bit tricky this time. So close your eyes for me. This time I'm going to take out a chunk of the alphabet that is next to each other, just to see how Ryan gets on. Right, Ryan, open your eyes. Ooh, I've taken out 4 letters from the middle.
O, M, L, N.
Good boy. Now they're in the wrong order at the minute. How can we remember what order they go in?
R, L.
L, that's it. Pop the L down. What's next?
M. N. O.
And then what comes after?
P.
P! Brilliant! Now Ryan has been finding that a little bit tricky, haven't you? And before today, he's had to sing the song to help remind him, which would be completely okay. But he didn't need to that time because he's remembered, so well done, Ryan. Right, now we're going to move on to some of our tricky words. So on these cards, we've got some words. Ryan, can you read them to me?
In. T. Into.
Good boy. So we're going to put that face down. What does this one say?
G, O. Go.
Good boy, Ryan. That's excellent.
We.
Good boy.
R.
Oh, that's a tricky one from our book, isn't it?
B.
B. Good boy.
The. Me.
Me. Excellent.
He.
Excellent.
T, O. At.
Not quite, but good try. So, begins with a
T.
Now, Ryan, this is a word that you'd use when you're writing a birthday card to somebody. So before, if we were writing one for mum, we'd say, mum.
Two.
Good boy. 2. And our last one, I'm going to go for is this one.
On.
Oh, not quite. Good try. So what's the first letter?
N. O.
N-O spells?
No.
Good boy. No. Right, now we've got our cards out in front of us, Ryan. You are going to be doing some reading and some spelling. Okay? So first, can you pick one of our cards for me? And what does it say? We. So Ryan, you've got we. Can you put that card there for me? Can you use our alphabet to make that word?
W. And A.
Brilliant, Ryan. So you have read the word and you have made the word. Now what I want you to do is get your piece of paper and pen. Ryan, I'm going to cover it up. Can you please write we for me on your paper? Right, so you've written it. Good boy. Now lift up the card and see if you're right. Yay, well done, Ryan. So So you read it, you made it, and you wrote it, which was excellent. Good boy. Right, put the pad and paper down for me. We can go away. Right, mister, choose another card for me.
He.
He. Good boy. Put the card down. Can you make that word for me, please, right? Excellent. So what word have we made?
H-E. He.
He. Good boy. I'm going to cover it up now. Can you please write the word he on the pad? Boy, have a look under the card and see if you're right. Brilliant. Well done, Ryan. I'm going to take that card back, pop the letters back in the right place. Superstar. Right, mister, choose another card for me.
On.
Not quite. So on is O-N.
No.
No, good boy. No. Can you make no for me? Good job. So Ryan, what is it? N-O. Spells?
No.
No. Good boy. Right, write that down for me. Superstar. Have a look and see if you're right. Yeah, well done, Ryan. Pop those letters back for me. Superstar, and you've put them in the right order. Right, choose one more card for me. The. Right then, can you make the out of the letters? So we're going to cover it up. And you write the for me. Okay. Good try, mister. Have a look at what it says on the card.
T-H.
T-H-E. So you've done T-E-H, which is all the right letters. Well done. But now we've looked at the card, we can remember the order that they go in. Brilliant work, Ryan. I'm going to take that card. And can you pop the letters back for me? Now I want you to choose one more card. And then I'm going to give you a challenge. Okay?
T-O. T-O.
Two. Good boy. Put that one down. Can you make that word for me? Brilliant work. Now, can you write the word two for me, please?
T-O.
That's it, check. Are you right? Good boy, well done. Right then, mister. I'm going to give you a challenge. And to do this challenge, I need you to turn your piece of paper over. Brilliant. Right, Ryan, I've got a word here that you sometimes find a little bit tricky. But I'm not going to let you see it first. Okay, I want you to think back to what we looked at a second ago. On your paper, Ryan, can you please write the word the? The. What letters have you put there, Ryan?
T-H-E.
Good boy. Can you make it with the letters underneath for me? Brilliant. Now, Ryan, do you want to see if you're right? So have a look at the card and see if you put them in the right order. Is it right? Yeah, So there, we just worked backwards, didn't we? We went from me reading the word, to you writing the word, to you making the word, to you checking the word, which is brilliant work, Ryan. Well done. Right then, just to finish off, you've been working hard on writing your own name, haven't you? So Ryan, can you use the letters to write your name?
O. Y. A. N.
Brilliant. And can you write your name in beautiful writing on that paper for me? Brilliant, Ryan. Well done. High five. So what Ryan's just done there is he has made, he has written, and he has read some of the tricky words which are within phase 2 and phase 3 of letters and sounds phonics. So well done, Ryan. What are we going to say? Thank you and goodbye.